supposed to overrip new cars too much, are you? This is the best bit. Oh no. Three left. I like to do that. I do it in reverse normally because you get in a downhill. How fast are we going, James? 80. Lovely. There you go. Way down here. I'll do it first.